Hello learners, welcome back to again Taranga Tech Education. Today I am sharing a very useful application of artificial intelligence developed by Microsoft Sketch to Code. This application converts handwritten drawing or sketch into HTML design. If you are watching my channel for first time, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more informative videos. Before proceeding to Sketch to Code application, I will briefly explain what do you mean by artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the simulation of the human intelligence process by computer system or algorithm. AI makes possible for machines to learn from experience, adjust to new data or new inputs, and perform the human-like tasks. Most AI examples, from chess-playing computers to self-driving cars, heavily depend on deep learning or natural language processing. Using these technologies, computers or machines can be trained to complete specific tasks by processing large amount of data and identifying the useful patterns from that data. While designing any website, creative design process begins with collaboration on a whiteboard where designers share their ideas. Once the design is final, the design is converted into HTML code. But this process takes time manually. So Microsoft AI has developed application Sketch to Code which converts hands drawing design into HTML code. So let us start with Sketch to Code. You can type Sketch to Code in Google search engine, or you can directly type the address sketch2code@azurewebsites.net. I will click now first option this. After clicking, it will redirect to the Sketch to Code azurewebsites.net. This website like this. Now you can convert your handwritten drawing or sketch into HTML code just in 3 steps. First, upload your design. Second step, Sketch to Code will convert that handwritten drawing into HTML code. And third step is you can download your HTML code. You can also use handwritten sample defined in the gallery, or you can upload your design, or you can take a picture of your own design. Now I will use your predefined sample. Suppose this, and use this sample. Sample code is converted into HTML design like this. It tries to identify the text. It tries to identify the square object here and convert into HTML element text box. It tries to identify here command button, square box as a command button, and convert it into HTML command button or submit button. Here you can download your HTML code, or next option is predicted object details. Now using this option, you can find the matching similarity of the objects or text with the existing training model. If I click on this option, it shows the screen like this. It tries to identify text, object, etc. Try to extract the features and classify them into HTML element like text box, label, checkbox, button. It also shows the probability of matching with the every object with the every label. You can see here labels are matching with probability 89%. You can see here object text box with the probability of 88%, like that. After prediction, it convert into the HTML code using Bootstrap. Now I will upload my hand-drawn design. Suppose this one. After uploading, AI model convert this handwritten sketch into HTML format like this. It also shows the predicted object information like this. It tried to identify text box, checkbox, labels, buttons, and convert into HTML layout. You can also download the HTML code. This is the HTML code using Bootstrap Framework 4. This is the code HTML code, so the labels, checkbox, buttons. The handwritten sketch is not perfectly converted into HTML design, but Microsoft is constantly working on enhancing this model. Sketch to Code application also describes experiment workflow of the AI model. Now, first step, detect the design patterns. In this step, AI model try to identify the HTML elements from the handwritten or from the hand-drawn patterns. HTML elements identified in step 1 is given as an input to second step. Second step is understand the handwritten text. In this step, text recognition service identified the or extract the handwritten content. Third step is understand the structure. In this step, the identified objects and their position inside the image is given as input to algorithm that generates the HTML layout. And in fourth step, a valid HTML code is generated. Now your handwritten sketch is also used to improve the underlying AI model. The purpose of this video is not promoting Microsoft, but to motivate the students to develop the project like this. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video among the students. Thank you for watching.